Hey guys, welcome to DB Adventures. Today we are at PortAventura World in Spain. Join us today while we go through our favourite rides of this theme park. Here are the wait times for the rides. As you can see, there's nothing with too much of a queue. PortAventura is made up of several different areas, such as the Wild West, Sesame Adventure, Mexico, Mediterranean, Polynesia, and many more. This makes for a really exciting atmosphere around the park. Number 1, Tutiki Splash. Tutiki Splash is a water ride which opened in 1995. Located on an artificial volcano in the Polynesian section of the park, there is no escaping getting wet on this ride, especially in the first or last rows. Our advice is don't go on this ride first unless you want to walk around the theme park soaking wet. Number 2, Dragon Khan. This steel sit-down roller coaster located in PortAventura World begins with a descent followed by 8 loops which we will pass through in 69 seconds, reaching a speed of up to 110 kilometers per hour. Now that's a fast roller coaster. Number 3, Shambhala. Inspired by a hidden world nestled deep within the Himalayas, this roller coaster has the longest drop and is the tallest in PortAventura World. This hypercoaster reaches heights of 249 feet and travels at speeds of up to 134 kilometers per hour. The ride lasts almost 3 minutes long, which is a really long roller coaster. To all you thrill seekers out there, this has to be on your bucket list for roller coaster. Number 4, El Diablo, Tren de la Mina. This roller coaster located in the Mexico land was inspired by mine trains. It lasts 3 minutes 10 seconds long and travels at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Number 5, Hurakan Condor. This is a giant drop ride located in PortAventura World. This drop tower stands at more than 100 meters high and drops at around 114 kilometers per hour. As you can imagine, it's one of the tallest structures in the park and one of the tallest in the world. Here are some other awesome rides at PortAventura World. Choosing either red or blue, Stampeda is a racing wooden roller coaster. Uncharted, a dark roller coaster with up to 700 meters of track, opened just recently in 2023. Furious Baco, projecting you from 0 to 135 kilometers in just 3 seconds. Angkor, a boat ride to get you utterly soaked wet through. Templo del Fuego is an action-packed adventure. You experience firsthand the challenges and fears of an archaeologist.